Hey guys, it's Mr. Golias, and now we're taking a look at how do we bring our artifacts in. Our passion project is probably the trickiest one. So you just want to select the slide, and then I'm going to click File and Download. Once I go to Download, I'm going to click JPEG, and it's going to download it. Once this downloads, it's going to be the same as any other recording, or excuse me, as any other upload like we did with our banners. It's going to be real easy. So you have that file. So I can come back over into artifacts, and I'm going to actually do, I'll double click the image, and I'm going to click upload. Once I click upload, there's my passion project, and I'm just bringing that in. So all you're doing is bringing in your image. I'm going to push this over because I'm also going to double click over here and put in a heading, and we're going to call this one Dream Board. And then we're going to make this much smaller. Whoops, not that small. Right about there. There it goes. And then this one now I'm going to make bigger. So I'm going to bring this down. Whoop, not that far. Wow, this thing is crazy. Okay, right about there, let's say. So there's my first one. Now to do another one, it's the same thing. So I'm going to just double click down here, do text, and I'm going to call this, or actually I want to do this in a heading again, and we're going to call this Pixlr Edit. And for mine, I went with, whoops. Let's just do it this way, meme. I'll put it all as one. I'm going to, again, make this smaller right about there. No, same thing. I want it all on one line. So I'm just going until it'll stay. There it goes. So now I'm ready to bring this one in. So I would have to go into Pixlr, and same thing. All I'm going to do is, and you guys have done this before, I'm just going to save it. I like to do them as JPEGs, high resolution, because I want to keep everything. And then I'm going to click download. And it just takes a few seconds and it's done. So I can close it out, and I go right back to my website. And now, inside of here, I'm ready to, or actually that's not what I'm going to do. I'm going to click the images again, and I'm going to upload. And this time, I'm looking for my edit of my meme, which I just downloaded. There's my meme, so I can click open. And there's my meme. I'm going to put it back in next to my title. And I could play around with this. I might want to just mix the order up. Well, I could put it like that, which I don't care for. Actually, if you ever mess up, we're going to use the undo button. So I'm going to hit undo, and I'm going to hit undo. And really what I wanted was this to come over there, and then move this guy over here. And what I would do is make this one bigger then. It's getting a little bigger. I can also use the enter key. I would resize this a little bit. I'm not liking the size, but I think you're getting the idea of how I can kind of make this look the way I want to. But I would, again, fix there. That's looking a lot better. And you get the idea. So you're going to customize it to how you want yours to look, but look at my artifacts page. Now it's got my dream board, it's got my edits. I can click preview, and it'll give me an even better look of it. And there it is. And we'll just keep building this out. So you're picking your favorite one of your challenges. You're going to put that in. You're adding your dream board. You can go ahead and do that, and good luck. Enjoy.